How to lose weight without dieting. Beginning with the brain. Where is the value of being healthy if the human brain is not in good shape? You regularly consume walnuts because of this. Numerous omega-3 fatty acids are present, which shield the brain against illness. Additionally, the antioxidants in green tea and tomatoes assist safeguard memory by safeguarding brain cells. Marine fish prevent the development of Alzheimer's disease. Heart. Beth Oliver, a cardiologist at Mount Sinai Hospital in the United States, advised eating plenty of fiber foods, apples, walnuts, sunflower seeds, lentils, and egg yolks every day. The heart will benefit greatly from all of this. To maintain healthy kidneys. Sports, walking, and exercise help to lower blood pressure and prevent diabetes. Since diabetes can result in a variety of kidney problems, it's critical to maintain a healthy weight by consuming natural foods like fruits, vegetables, fiber, and so forth. Salt should be eaten as little as possible because too much salt is bad for the kidneys. Bone care, regular exercise, or unusual types of activity can play a significant role in maintaining strong bones. The main cause of delicate or broken bones is not aging. Thyroid chronic stomach problems or stomach afflictions can also result in delicate or weak bones. Additionally, the bones can relax due to poor diet, excessive smoking, and the use of various drugs. Keep your intestines and stomach straight. At around 6 meters long, the digestive system, or stomach, is the largest organ in the human body. The digestive system transforms the food consumed by the body into a substance that is consumable. Everyone knows that everything is generally in order if there is a problem. So if you want to keep your body in good shape, you need to maintain a healthy stomach. Therefore, it is important to walk. Eat grains, beans, white yogurt, vegetables, and foods derived from the soil as part of a modified diet. Exercise. Without practice, it is impossible to expect to be genuinely attractive. Additionally, it is essential to have a clinical examination at least once a year in order to be physically and mentally fit. Women's and men's health. For a healthy, happy life, an adult woman or man needs a healthy sexual relationship just like they need food and exercise. According to the findings of many studies, various kinds of seeds, watermelon, vegan, figs, eggs, etc., play a remarkable role in enhancing the beauty of sexual coexistence. Additionally, watermelon increases sexual arousal in the body, according to A&M University of Texas in the USA. The reality is that you don't need a complex list of things to do in order to lose weight. It should be simple and straightforward, and that's exactly what it is. It's not just one thing that you can do, it's the combination of things done together that will give you the best chance at losing weight. Even if there were some magic pill out there that would allow you to lose weight without changing your lifestyle, why would you want to take something when you could naturally shed pounds with relatively little effort? Don't forget to like and subscribe our channel, The Good Fat, for more amazing content like this.